ESChat secure messaging can include text and image attachments, and all messages are encrypted using AES 256. The Message tab shows a summary list of all sent and received messages. Sent messages are color-coded to indicate whether they have been successfully delivered and read. This information is also displayed beneath the message preview. Received messages display a red arrow for unopened messages. Click on an individual message to view or reply. Messages will unroll in threads with information on the number of recipients who have both received and opened your sent messages. Reply by tapping the message box. You may include an image by selecting the Attach icon, where you may take a new photo or use a pre-existing one. To send the message, tap the Send icon. You may also send a message from the Contacts, Channels, Recents, and Maps tab. We'll begin at the Contacts tab. Navigate to the Contacts tab. You may long press on a single contact or highlight multiple contacts, then long press to reach the secondary menu. Then select Message. The app will open a new or pre-existing conversation depending on your message history. Next, navigate to the Channels tab. Long press on the channel you wish to message, then select Message. Next, navigate to the Recents tab and long press on a recent call, then select Message. To send a message from the Maps tab, navigate to the Maps tab. Tap on a location icon to display the user's name. Tap once more to reach the secondary menu, then select Send Message.